Gene. Over the past 200,000 years, since Homo sapiens evolved, something extraordinary happened. Somehow, we went from being clever monkeys with stone tools, so being insanely brilliant masterminds who can use complex language and control the planet with agriculture and technology. How did we start the intelligence explosion that anthropologists call the human revolution? Perhaps one of the biggest mysteries in our evolution is how humans develop symbolic culture, a very general catch-all term that includes things like art, language, personal adornment, weapons, and rituals like funerals. Symbolic culture is what sets humans apart from other species, and yet it also seems to predate the emergence of Homo sapiens. We find plenty of stone tools in Africa before 200,000 years ago, as well as evidence of fire pits and art making. Our Homo erectus ancestors were throwing spears and making colourful paint from pigments for thousands of years before we evolved. So the question is, when did these symbolic practices start to define humanity? There is no easy answer, and we may never gather enough evidence to come up with a definitive timeline. But there are two broad theories about how it happened. One suggests humanity made a great cultural leap forward roughly 60 to 80,000 years ago during the Revolution, when humans hightailed it out of Africa and into Eurasia, and others suggest culture evolved gradually in Africa over Homo sapiens' entire species lifespan.